Hello, this is how to install the materials for Arabic on AmigaOS. You have the instruction in the README file at the root of the archive. I suppose I have extract the materials from the archive on sys.arabic. Here, at the root, there is a README file. Here, it explains how to install, but I will precise you some points. First of all, you have to install the fonts. So, you go in the repertory of the Arabic extracted materials and you type copy fonts all. Okay, this is the first step. Second, you have to copy the cassette. Alors, the cassette here in the L directory. So you type like the fonts, copy slash cassette slash ski in L2.cassette. You have a custom cassette file which already exists in the AmigaOS. You have to add this line in the files, or this XS key, or copy the custom cassettes. Next, you don't have to set fonts, car set fonts, Sakal Kufi 12 space X key, because the X key for the fonts is already copied. We do it when we write copy fonts all. So you just now have to make a fixed font here. So you fix fonts. Okay. And then you will reboot after it ends. Now you have to copy Arabic console. In devs, and last, the key maps. Here. Now you can test using the materials. This will just test if you have all well installed. To quit, you can type Control and this type. I hope a best video for the months to come.